What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Ainsley D back at you with another video. Now in this video, we're going to talk about some side hustles to make some extra money. Side hustles to some extra money, right? And then some other videos, I'll talk about different ways of how you can make money online, some different side hustles. Now in this video, we're going to take about 10 minutes or so to talk about some side hustles from extra money. And we're going to start off by talking about starting a high paying side hustle stack. Starting a high paying side hustle stack. And this is what we're talking about when we're talking about starting a high paying side hustle stack. We're going to find some of those best side hustles, right? The best side hustles that's paying out the best money within the shortest amount of time, and we're going to stack those up. Now, these are not going to make you rich, but you stack them up, you're going to make thousands of dollars. So side hustles are good ways to increase your income, right? They can be done quickly, and also you know which ones is actually spending the time on. You can make up to thousands of dollars. So you have to get the right idea of the right side hustles, and then you go ahead and you pay attention to these ones that can net you up to thousands of dollars. Plus, you can even, if you want or where you want, you can do it like at a library, you can do it at a community center, you can do it on the go with your mobile devices. Different ways of how you can get paid, without having to wait like weeks to getting paid. Like you can get paid within days of doing these side hustles. Now in these videos, I'm going to be doing different ideas of different side hustles that you can put extra money into your bank account, into your wallet. Now let's get some of these platforms out the way. Here are a few side hustles that's paying top dollars right now. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna get involved with these platforms and you're gonna stack them up, because just one platform alone not gonna get you thousands of dollars. But if you stack them up, you're gonna be able to get thousands of dollars. So let's go ahead and start off with freecash.com. Freecash.com is able to bank up to $1,000 or more just by playing games, watching videos, answering surveys, or giving your opinion on products, right? So you just sign up to freecash.com, get your account, and get started playing games. Now, when I say you get started playing games, just don't play the game one day, because that's when you're gonna let the time ticker that allows you to get paid and earn more money. So if you do these games right away and you steady playing the games like each and every day, playing the games, you rack up more money by playing it each and every day. Then you get to different levels and you be able to bank more money. So that's some little advices. Once again, this is not financial advice or anything like that. These are some ways that you can stack up some high paying platforms and stack them up and do some side hustles, right? So after freecash.com, and you're able to do this by playing games, doing opinions and things, you can also get involved with brand research. Now brand research is a kind of website that can help people make up to thousands, like tens of thousands of dollars. Like you have people out there that made up to like $49,000 just by getting involved with brand research and giving honest opinion on companies, such as you shop at Walmart, you shop at Target, you shop Apple products or something like that. What you're gonna do is basically give reviews, give your opinion on these products, giving reviews on these companies such as Walmart, such as FedEx, and more. And once you give your opinions, be able to get your money back to your bank account in days, right? So get involved with brand research. Go ahead